Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you want to protect yourself from paint fumes, sawdust, grinding dust, anything like that, then you definitely want to check out these amazing masks from 3M. So these are N95 respirators and they work really, really well at preventing particles and things from being breathed into your lungs, which is great. So the nice thing about these is that they are really comfortable to wear as far as masks go, and they are adjustable to fit whatever size face you have. So there's that little metal bar on the top, which you can just adjust. It has the two straps, one for the top and one for around the back of your head, and it keeps the mask in place extremely well. It also has this valve there, which makes it a little bit easier to breathe and to keep your face a little bit cooler. These are also NIOSH approved for at least 95% filtration efficiency against solid and liquid aerosols that do not contain oil. So these are a really effective product at keeping you safe. So if you do a lot of work with sawdust, paint fumes, grinding, anything like that, you're definitely going to want to get some of these masks. They're a really great product, very effective, and that is my point of view.